Good day, my ladies and my gents. Happy Wednesday, which means it's time for another wonderful episode of What Did You Buy Wednesday, which, of course, is hosted by our buddy Joe up there at Big Sky Model Workshop. And the whole idea is stash ads. We all like it when people get to buy stuff and show it off. I mean, come on. And, I've found several new vendors through some of these What Did You Buy Wednesdays where I wound up spending money there myself. And, yeah, talking about the vendors, to we need to support the little guys in our hobby. Hmm, not sure. It's an obsessive hobby or I don't know. But anyway, uh, the little 1 or 2 man operations, the guy that does things to order so he doesn't have to have a big stock 'cause he doesn't have a whole lot of room in his house, his workshop. Josh is operating out of a spare bedroom in his house. 1 man operation there at VCGresins.com. And while we're talking about it, let me get this out of the way real quick. Be sure to head on over to the website, VCGresins.com. Sign up for the newsletter, bottom of the homepage. You'll get told and notified when new things come out, or Josh has got um, information regarding him or the shop or whatever that he feels we need to know about. And yeah, and then go shopping. Go shopping. He got kind of all kinds of new stuff. He's got some stuff restocked, and yeah. So, but anyway, when you get done shopping, head on over there, checkout page. See a box says promo code. Use Jester10, Jester10. Save you 10% on your order. Does not include shipping, which is all of $6. And so, yeah. Now, if the post office did as good a job with their end of the deal as Josh does for packing it, we could get our stuff the day before it's even sent. Because Josh does that good, and well, the post office isn't. Yeah, that stupid package I ordered, a couple of weeks ago now. 3 weeks something, before President's Day. It's supposed to have been here the day after President's Day, a week and a half ago, and I had a substitute who decided, oh, I'm not going to deliver it. And he marked a bunch of stuff, cannot deliver as addressed or some such nonsense, and sent it back. I also had a couple of replacement credit cards. I had a bill, what turned out to be a fraud notice in that mail. I had to wind up going online to find and try to get things taken care of that way. The packages went back up to Colorado, got turned around in Colorado. It's heading back down here. It's taken it a while, but apparently didn't get on the truck this morning. It's at our local post office now. Anyway, be that as it may, post office is the post office. But anyway, yeah, do all that. Stash ads, yeah. Like I said, you find a new vendor that you want to tell us about. It's got some really cool stuff, some really good prices. Some place that sells kits at a really good price. Something like this. You bought a paintbrush. Let us know about it. You got a really killer deal out there somewhere and wound up with a whole bunch of kits for next to nothing. Let us know, man. That's cool. So anyway, you get the idea. So today, first of all, I got some a birthday present, yay! I got a goodie box from Josh, yay! And I went shopping at Hobby Lobby last week. Eh, yeah, we'll talk about that here shortly. Anyway, I wanted to kind of talk about kind of reflecting on things. I'm 63 this week, and kind of thinking about, okay, well, I'm not wealthy, not by any means. I do have a home that's paid for, pickup that's paid for, mom's car is paid for. All we got is taxes, insurance, registration, that type of thing for that. Monthly bills. I'm now getting the Social Security disability, so I don't have to worry about that. I've got family that I'm close with, so I got that. I mean, what more can you ask for? I am wealthy beyond measure with what I have. Uh, okay, materialistic things. Okay, it's fine, it's fun, but if you're not happy with the non-materialistic stuff, how can you be happy in the rest of your life? It just, you can't. So I am blessed, I am happy, I am content, and things are working out. So, but yeah, anyway, got up and yesterday morning and I found that mom got me a new t-shirt for my birthday. Now, my little brother, as my mom, have conspired and they're going to have me a little bit of a party on Sunday. But mom wanted to get me something that I could open now, kind of like a stocking present before Christmas. So, but anyway, so mom got me a t-shirt and I'm going to talk about it because it's kind of fun. Um, and I got a VCG Resins goodie box and Hobby Lobby. I think I said that before. So, but anyway, I'm going to go ahead, turn this thing around. I'm going to just kind of show you things, and these, what? Yay! Okay, first of all is the t-shirt. And for you Star Wars nerds and math nerds, know what this is. The equation is basically the formula to find out how much force is being used, which is I don't remember all of the stuff, velocity, time, derivatives of, that type of thing. But basically, may the force be with you. I thought that was cute. I thought that was fun. All right, goodie box. As I said, Josh has introduced a few new things this last weekend, and he's got some ramps to drive up on with wheel chocks. What all did he get? I don't even remember now. But a couple of things that he got, kind of showing you how he packs. This is for just 2 items. You can see. Of course, we got the obligatory stickers. Oh, now that's cool. I didn't see this before. Look at that. That's cool. I like that. The older style with a bit of an update. So, got the stickers. And then we get to the nuts and bolts. I'll get to that guy here in a second. First of all, this is a what does he call this? I have to open it up and look. Drag and drive accessory pack. And what he's got, let me get the little package out here. It's got a couple of the cups that he offers. Let me zoom in a little so you can see them better. It's got a couple of the a drinking mug and a coffee mug and the lids for them. It comes with an open laptop computer. I've got several of these other types, a couple of 3 different styles. Haven't yet figured out what I want to do. And it comes with a couple of hats. And yeah. So that's one thing we got. That's one of the new things. One thing that I'm really jazzed about with the new stuff is it is a build a trailer kit. And what we have is you've got the receiver frame, or they got the frame for the, not the receiver frame, the hitch frame. And you can start putting, building stuff off of either side of this. And this goes on for a little further back for support. Got the, the crank handle on it. It comes with, well, let's just go ahead and open it up and take a look at it. It's got some baggies in here, some nifty stuff. It's got 2 different links of axles that you can use, and it has a set of springs. There we go. Set of springs. It's got a set of hubs, and it has a couple of tail light assemblies that you can see. It's got, get the light on it a little bit. You can kind of make out the outline, but it's got lights, the light assembly to go on the back, and a couple of fenders, and the tires. So wheels and tires. Of course, these are solid resin. They're not flexible. Throw a bit of rubber black on them, or just a little bit of flat or semi-gloss, and it comes out looking real nice. So this is what I got in my goodie box. Okay, well, while I'm getting out the stuff here for the putting some stuff away and getting other stuff out, but while I'm getting the Hobby Lobby stuff out, I looked up, there's a Universal Paxton Supercharger kit for V8s that he's got available. He also has some new gas cans available. So, yeah, go check it out. Okay, now, of course, we got the Hobby Lobby. What I got, they had some of these. I like these because I can take and put a lot of, basically set up for bits and parts, make it easier to find stuff instead of having like all your Ford parts in one big tub. This separates them out where you can find them easier. I got them. I got a couple of little ones. And then I was going by, and over there by where they have this, they have got these metal straws. And I'm looking for my, there you are, my little caliper. And I've read where people have been using these for exhaust stacks. They're about 6 millimeters, which equals about 6-inch pipes. On a lot of the truck kits, especially, the big trucks. The stacks that come up off the muffler look cheesy. They look cheap. They look chintzy. There are guys that are using these. They are, they say they're metal. It doesn't say what kind of metal they are. But you take these and you can trim it down to whatever size, whatever you want. And they make a real nice 6-inch exhaust stack for a truck. I'm curious about something I just noticed. Grab one. I noticed there is this. No, they're not flexible. I was thinking that might have been a little bit of flex, but it's something to curve it. So, but anyway, just for an idea about, you want something a little bit better, take a little bit of real fine sandpaper and brush it up, polish it up, make it come out, make it look gleaming, like you see with some of the guys out there with the big stacks out there that just shine in the sunshine. Yeah. So, but anyway, a little bit longer than I meant to be today, but hey, it's my birthday. Leave me alone. So, so that's what we got. Like I said, be sure to check out VCG Resins. Sign up for the newsletter. Use promo code Jester10 at checkout. Y'all have a fantastic Wednesday. We're on the downhill slope now to the weekend. I don't know about y'all. For those of you that are getting caught in all this snow, man, good luck. Be careful. It's going to be in the low to mid 80s all week long for the next week, 10 days here in southern Texas. So, yeah, we're going to pay for it come summer. But Anyway, so I'm just going to go ahead and say it. The heck with it. VTex signing out.